Hi, I'm Meri. I worked on deforestation issues and on making Indonesia's oil palm plantation sector more sustainable for about a decade before I set up my own ethical jewelry brand. I met Khun at a public speaking workshop that I took in Bali last May, and he was one of the favorite speakers that I met at this workshop. Seeing Khun speak, you can just tell how much he enjoys being on stage and sharing his knowledge. He has this very calming stage presence. It's a mixture of his authority and just being at complete ease. Like that, right there on the stage, that's where he belongs. And his love for the topic makes a complex issue like water, a lot easier to understand. He really knows how to use storytelling and eye contact and silences to power his talk and to engage his audience. Instead of sharing just dry facts, he draws on his experience in the field to tell stories that connect. So if you're looking for a public speaker, I highly recommend that you get in touch with Khun.